Everyone talks about ChatGPT, everyone talks about Claude, everyone talks about Gemini. Nobody talks about the tool that actually connects all of them and makes them run your business while you sleep. I've been using Make.com for the last 6 months, and it has quietly become the most valuable tool in my entire stack. More valuable than any AI model. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it does, why it's different, and the automation that replaced 3 hours of work every single day. Stick around. You sign up for ChatGPT, transcription tools, email platforms, CRMs, and every single one sits in a different tab, completely disconnected. So what happens? You become the connector. Copy, paste, download, upload, format, send. You are the automation. And that's not productivity. That's manual work with extra steps. That's exactly the problem Make.com solves. So what is Make.com? It's a visual automation platform that connects your apps and runs workflows automatically. If something in your business follows a pattern, if X happens, then do Y. Make handles it. Unlike Zapier, it handles complex logic. Each circle is an app or action. You connect them, set conditions, and it runs automatically. It is cheaper and more powerful. Scenario 1. My content repurposing machine. This turns one video into a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, and email subject lines. Step 1 is the trigger. We watch for new videos via RSS, then we pull the transcript automatically. This is where the magic happens. We drop in a high-level content strategist prompt to extract core ideas and platform optimize them. The whole thing runs in 90 seconds. No clicks, no copy-paste, no me. It creates multi-platform content in one single call. Scenario 2. Lead handling. Most people just send a thank you email. We're going to respond like a human, not a bot. Make reads the inquiry, understands the intent, and drafts a personalized reply. It builds trust immediately because it addresses their exact request. The email doesn't look automated. It looks like I wrote it, because I wrote the brain behind it. No corporate jargon, just helpful clarity. This is the one that changed everything. My weekly AI briefing. It aggregates my calendar, tasks, and emails into a strategic brief. Every Monday morning, it scans everything. It doesn't just list tasks. It analyzes them to produce an executive-level summary of what matters most. It reads like an executive assistant wrote it, except there's no assistant. It identifies risks and suggests adjustments before I even start my day. The model is the brain. Make is the nervous system. This replaces thinking, not just tasks. That is the real difference. Make.com has a free plan. You can build everything I showed today without spending anything. I've put together a guide with these 5 scenarios. If this showed you something new, subscribe. I break down systems that actually move a business forward. See you in the next one.